Welcome, welcome to your new home.
Welcome to our new home. All right, our first ever, mine and Weston's new home. Before you jump into it, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. So, okay, now we can go ahead and just jump right into it. Also, Weston and I did not get to like design. Everything was already picked out, so it's not gonna be like exactly my taste, but I still think it's absolutely beautiful. And yeah, we're obsessed with it. Okay, let's start over here. To your right is just a little, what's it called? It's like a guest room, a little spare bedroom. So yeah, that's definitely gonna be the guest room. And then follow me along this way. Okay, so that was the entryway where Weston's at, and then over here to the right is the garage. Nothing too fun. Nothing too fun. Okay, and then to the left is the guest bathroom, or just like the downstairs bathroom. Yeah, like I said, we didn't get to choose this. I would have definitely chosen like different countertops. I'm not the biggest fan of that one, but I still think it's cute.
But it's for our guests, so who cares?
And well, the thing is, I love that everything is white. That was like my one thing I had to have, was make sure like the kitchen's white and all the cabinetry throughout the whole house is white. So that's what I got. Okay, and then we'll go upstairs in just a second. Okay, and then right here is this little, I don't know what it's called.
It's a closet.
It's like it's like an extra closet, but what are you supposed to put in here?
Well, you know, extra water.
So what that's what I plan on doing. It's kind of like
it's like a pantry kind of thing, I guess.
An extra pantry almost, but not even. I feel like we can even put like
and it goes away. It goes.
Yeah.
It goes cutter. Okay.
So I feel like we can also put like cleaning supplies and stuff. Right now, we literally threw everything in here, like all the essentials that I just bought.
And it goes back
over to the right. Yeah. So it's like pretty big and spacious.
Yeah.
Okay. Then let's move on to the best part.
The kitchen. Arlene's kitchen. She got her island.
I'm freaking obsessed with it. I feel like, I don't know, does it look pretty big on camera? Like, this is big compared to, like, if you guys remember from our last home, I've always dreamt and wanted an island so bad. So, like, this is, like, beyond goals. Okay, like I said, since I didn't get to choose, I would have definitely gone with, like, a really light marble color. But obviously, this one's still beautiful. I think it's gonna go really good with all the decor that I'm doing also, like a lot of blacks and whites, so it's gonna look perfect. And then all of the cabinetry also, the handles, I actually already placed an order, Weston.
What the?
So I'm gonna change them to black handles because I like the contrast of like black and white, and then eventually we'll add backsplash, but in the meantime, I feel like it's still freaking beautiful. Oh, and this island is huge. I already bought 4 chairs also that are gonna be like counter stools right here. So those, I was scared because we only came to see the house like 2 or 3 times, and we didn't measure the island. So I was afraid that 4 chairs would be too much, but now seeing it, 4 chairs is like beyond perfect. Yeah. I initially thought I was good. I thought even 2 might be fine. 2 would have looked funny, like this.
Oh yeah,
island is way
3 at least.
3 at least, but I think 4 is actually gonna be perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's follow along. You guys can see like how beautiful and brand new everything is. Oh yeah, and so with the whole black hardware and stuff, I do want to change this one out also to like a black faucet. I feel like it'll look really cool. But in the meantime, I'm not in a rush to do that. I feel like there's other things that we need. Okay, and then like brand new appliances, beautiful, beautiful. To other people, this might just be like, oh, that's basic appliances, but to us,
I know.
it's like
we had old school.
Yeah.
Hand-me-downs.
This is a major upgrade.
Hand-me-downs that we took.
What's that?
They were hand-me-downs. They were my parents' appliances.
Oh, this is the old stove.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And the dishwasher.
Okay.
And the stove actually talks to us, and that's
Oh
my
yeah,
favorite part.
it's a smart stove.
Smart
so
stove.
like I think there's like an app or something where we can like schedule like the oven to turn on if we're like on our way home and you want to like preheat or something. I think that's so cool. Or if you like forgot and you left it on.
Yeah.
Okay, pantry. This is like one of the things that isn't my absolute favorite. It's really small.
She wanted a giant.
I would have loved a big
pantry.
pantry. Okay, right now we just stored random stuff. So like, don't mind. Literally, I just threw everything in there right now to hide it, but yeah, it's pretty small.
But I guess that's why we got this one. Yeah.
Because we're definitely gonna need it for like water bottles and like, I think we can put like cleaning supply, like vacuum, things like that. Yeah, okay.
I was thinking vacuums.
So let's turn around. You can see.
Okay.
Let me
cozy.
No.
I need to back up.
Isn't it so cool?
It's gonna be cool when we get our
I already
TV.
added a little plant right here. Okay, you guys, we're gonna put this huge couch right here. I already ordered it and it's coming on Sunday. Oh my gosh. It's coming on Sunday. I'm so excited. It's a massive couch. It's gonna take up like the majority of the wall, I feel like, right? Okay, then right here, I plan on doing like 2 accent chairs. I don't have those yet and I haven't even decided on which ones I want. Kind of an idea, but we'll see. We'll see. Okay, and then I think that's everything for down here. Let's go upstairs. Come upstairs. Oh, it's not as echoey up here. Come on.
Yeah, because it's carpet.
Oh, okay. Come right here. So I love these stairs. I didn't pick these out, but other people, like in all the new builds, got different ones, and I actually love the ones that they picked out. So I was happy about that. And then there's this whole loft space. Oh my gosh, it's so much warmer up here.
Yeah.
So there's this whole loft space, which is where we're gonna put a lot of our like the old couch we had, the old like media set is gonna go here. I feel like a lot of our old stuff that we didn't like get rid of is gonna come up here. And then downstairs is gonna be all the new stuff. And then over here to the right is the master.
You're gonna show the master right off the bat? You don't want to do the, all right.
I'm gonna show, okay, this is the master.
Oh
Can
my
you
gosh.
tell on video? It's huge.
I know, I have to back up so they can see how big it is.
And here's the thing, I realized with this house and this like specific build is that they made the master really big, but the other bedrooms are not as big. But like,
They figure
I'm not about it.
they figure you're gonna spend more.
more time in here.
In
This
the
master's
master.
huge. Like, I don't know if the camera is picking up how big it is because we saw the model home and it was a king bed in the middle, and then there's still all this space
Yeah,
in here
for
to put,
couch.
like, a couch or something.
Yeah.
There's also enough space to put like another like huge dresser right here. Yeah, it's big. And then over here to the right, the other
And my favorite part.
Weston's favorite. One of my favorites too. The master bath. Okay, show them the sinks. We got
This is-
double sinks. We've never had
double sinks.
And this countertop, I love. This is what I
Yeah,
think
that's what
there's
you wanted. You wanted downstairs, probably.
something like this, like light colored marble looking. So I would have wanted something like this downstairs. So I love that they picked this out. I might eventually change these out also to black, and then these to black down the road at some point. And then yeah, the mirror I would have changed also, but I think they said I can add like a frame to it, kind of thing.
Yeah.
Because right now it's pretty basic. And then this is Weston's
My
like
favorite.
absolute favorite.
I've always wanted a big old tub.
Absolutely. This is like all, whenever I was looking at houses, his one request was a house with a tub.
Yeah.
He loves taking baths. That's weird. You love taking more
Love
baths
it.
than me.
Love it. I'm a
Yeah.
jacuzzi guy. I'm a bath guy. Pool guy. But like, bam! I got my. And then the shower's nothing
Yeah, and
to
then the
complain
standalone
about.
shower over here. And then over
Big
here,
old shield.
oh, then right here, toilet. Small little toilet there. It's cute. Oh, and then right here, there's a light. Ah!
And Arlyne got her giant walk-in closet that she's gonna fill up.
This whole thing I'm about to fill up. I don't even think this whole thing is enough.
Well, you got 4 other bedrooms to put clothes into.
3 other ones. This one and 3 others.
Oh
There's
yeah.
4 bedrooms.
So 4
total.
bedrooms total. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so yeah, this is the master closet that I'm gonna fill up. You betcha. You betcha.
What do I get? Where's my closet?
You get you'll get that linen closet over there. I'll show you.
The
I'll show you guys.
linen closet? That's all I get?
Ven acá.
Okay.
Ven acá, niño. This is your closet right here. This one. So you come right here.
The linen closet?
It's a linen closet. It's a huge linen closet.
That-
Like how much? Like
I know,
do
it is.
people have a ton of linens normally?
I have no idea.
We don't.
Yeah, I know.
don't feel like.
Such a big
So,
closet.
but I'm definitely, this is going to be good use. Like, this is probably where I'll store a lot of like PR packages and stuff like that.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's kind of.
Or maybe Poshmark.
Oh yeah, Poshmark stuff.
Or when we start our own merch, our own shirts.
You're gonna see a baby or something. Is it gonna throw the baby in there?
No.
That's not nice. Okay, where should I go? I'll go right behind
I don't
me.
know.
Laundry room, which is big compared to what we've never had a laundry
We've never had a
room.
laundry room.
Yeah, so you guys, everything is just like so
Look how big this
and
laundry room
brand
is.
to us. So yeah. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the flooring. This flooring is the same exact that is in the master bath, and I actually love this flooring, and I'm so happy that they picked this out. I don't know. I love this. It's a tile. I love that it's like huge squares and just looks super light. So I feel like it looks really clean and pretty. And then right next to it, right here, then we got the other bathroom. There's 3 bathrooms total. So the downstairs, this one,
double
also
sinks.
has the double sinks. And this one has a nicer mirror. That's why I'm confused why they didn't put like a nicer mirror in the master bath. So yeah, there's that. And then this way, toilet and another shower. So 3 full bathrooms. Okay, then come on over this way. We've got the other bedroom, which like I said, isn't like the biggest, but I think this is gonna be my office / filming. No, yeah, something like that, maybe. That one or this one, and then right next to it is the other bedroom. So these are the 2 bedrooms right next to each other. They're pretty simple. And kind of smaller, like I said. That is gonna be everything for our empty home tour. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, turn on your post notifications, especially for all the new videos of me like furnishing the home and all the home decor, all that fun stuff. There's so many like fun places to add, so many little things that Weston's gonna love. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Like I said, give it a thumbs up. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.